Umintri Sorkar bat MLA ka South Shlong Bah Sanbor Shulai haka khat waitrek yayong ulapli ba eki artli ki surok penyaso ni Link Road Harilbong ki bakot shakan Rio Point Lifeline klur tingka. Kini ki surok ki kinthop ya kajing penhe bat siang rong ban penyaso shaka surok ba 4 lane ya kabalamang South Point Lifeline klur tingka hapoka scheme special plan assistance SPA arja arpway to arja arpar bat ka surok kabaya lingba na ka khardop jong ka arts and culture harilbong bat na rilbong community hall shaka surok PWD hajan jingking shirpi balamang ha ka jinglut ka ba iway point kndai prak lur tingka ha ka jingkren Bah Sanbor ulapan ksan ba ka policy jong kalong bantrei khambun bat punduna ka kren. Hal kini ki prasnam baladap ngelapan terekam ni ka polisi thymmai ban syakri ya upat ba. Ka polisi bathymmai jonga kalong ban trek khambun baduna ka kren. Nga kren duna Henry nga trek khambun. Pitip khambha kumno nga syakri bat yarap ipi bat nga tip khambha kumno yarap bat kershan nga. Bah Sanbor ulapan paru ka jing sngungu ekidor bar snong ki seng tremon sngoba bat ki nongshong snong ka rilbong Kenches Trace Oxford bat Greater Laban ki bala ai ka jinga trelang ban pen urlong ya kini ki jing thmu. Ulapan ken mauru baya mau nongrim labu house nam arja arpway bat wat hap deng ka jing mi jong ka jing persha Henry lala ban pendap ya kini ki project. Ngapen pau ka jing sngungu ka bakharawi ki trai jaka ki bala no senyang ki jaka jongki klem ka no kono ka jing siu kumju ya u executive engineer ka tenat PWD lembat ka kinhun jong u namar ka jing tri shitam ka jongki ban pen urlong ya kani ka kam ula benram nan luar kata ula ai buram ru ya umintri ka tenat ya dari u Rajnath Singh haluar ka jing ai ya ka no objection certificate NOC na ka benta kani ka project ka BJP ka bu ya ka thong ban pet ban khmi na ka benta ka bha kamyan bat ka jing man to jong ki pai ba nong shong snong ong Bah Sanbor habasat ya ka jing kren jong Rajnath Singh ula ai khublei ru ya ka jing karshan bat ka jingatre lang jong ki pai ba da ka baong ublei udan ban sakhi ha ka jing tho bangi dei na ka benta iwei pan kani ka jing e ba ka jingatre lang kan yai beteng bat nang khlan na ka wei ka sngi sha ka wei pan but na way usnam sha way pat usnam.
He said that in the year 2021, when our deputy chief minister in charge flew by President Tunsong, he came personally to inaugurate the foundation stone. We thought it will be a ghost foundation stone. It has, here and there even some vested interest and opposition party also they have created sort of a political propaganda that this is the only political tactics of Bah Sanbor Sulai and the BJP party. But with the blessing of God, with the hard work, with the cooperation of each and every one of you, today is a memorable day where after 4 years we have completed, in spite of the fact that 1 year, 8 months to 1 year, we have to take up this issue, especially for construction of this bridge. This land belongs to the Defense Authority under the care and protection of the Shillong boat. It took us 8 to 12 months because, lots of correspondence from here to Guwahati, from Guwahati to Delhi. And finally, as a party of the BJP, Meghalaya State and 19 South Shillong, we went to meet our Honorable Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh Ji. And when we have apprised the problem and grievances, and especially we have enlightened him that this bridge will serve as the link road to connect the 4 lane of the national highway, which benefit the general public, not only of Rilbong, Greater Laban, but of Shillong and the Meghalaya State as a whole. When we have enlightened him, he said that the BJP is standing. The BJP party is first to see and to help the interests of the general public. Then and there, he have passed the order, and we have got the NOC and the content board that they have given a green signal to start the work. My special thanks to the PLUD, the ex-chief engineer, and all his team, who are the backbone, who are the ground force to prepare the plan, the estimate, the DPR. It takes lots of time for them. Then we forward it to government, we initiate, and finally we have got the sanction. So I'll not lend you my speech. My special thanks on behalf of each and every one of you to all our beloved landowners of Relbong area who have parted their land free of cost. So due to their cooperation, that we could have inaugurated this link road today. My special thanks also goes to the Defense Authority, the Shillong Cantonment Board, who have extended all the possible help with me as the MLA and with the Dorbar Shillong and each and every one of you, that we could have completed this road within the span of 4 years. My motto, like our Honorable Chairman Rangba Ashno, he have stated before, for the last 8 years, I have adopted a new policy to serve the people. My new policy for the last 8 years is walk more, talk less. I talk less for the last 8 years, but I walk more. You know better how do I serve each and every one of you. If it is individual wise, if it is household wife, if it is family wise, your problem and grievances, if it is locality wise or constituency wise, you know better how do I serve, how do I help you. And I also know better how do you help and support me. And God is there to witness in his notebook what we are doing good for each other. So this love and cooperation will continue and will strengthen it from day to day, years to years. And you have got a message through my calendar where we have distributed door to door. That calendar is the calendar where before I bring it to Shillong, we took all the calendars in front of the house of God. We blessed and we pray, and we brought the calendar and served in each every one of you with a message: service to people is service to God. So my brother and sister, before I wind up, I just want to request you to stay for another few minutes, where after my speech, then I am to bring to your kind of information. It's quite hot also from the committee and the PLUD department and the contractor. They have arranged a juice, water, and food packets for you, which will be followed by distribution. You sit quiet on your own seat. Our volunteers will be giving you a token of love, a gift to each and every one of you.